Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and it is an absolutely gorgeous day today. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and it is 10:23 a.m. I almost said p.m., but it's a.m. So, I got everything in that I needed to do the irrigation setup. So that is what this video is about today. I got plenty of staples. I got the hose that I like with the holes in it already, and we're going to set up an irrigation. Okay, I'm going to start with this bed and then just work my way around. I'm hoping I have enough hose. I have two 200-foot hoses, these, so I hope that that's enough to complete these 3 beds, because I already have one over there, but I need to correct it. So what I'm going to do now is remove my first attempt at putting in irrigation. And I got a box of these landscape staples. It's 240 of them in here. Surely I won't go through that, right? Plus I already have some in here that I'm just going to reuse. Uh-oh. Get out of the way. And it has been so windy these last few days. Just about every place I put straw has been blown away. So it's time for me to buy some new straw. Another bag of straw, because I'm quickly running out. I even wet it down, but you know, with all the wind blowing, it dried it very quickly. And that was not good. I got these things just all over the place. I really did not like this setup that I was trying. I'm hoping that the way I'm thinking now will be better for it. Oh, that's a piece of hose right there. And I thought I dropped another one of those. I guess I didn't. Yep, I did. It's right here. I am going to use this for my containers, because I should be able to just put one little sprinkler head thingy in one, you know, in each container, and there should be plenty. Okay. So this is what I'm envisioning. I'm envisioning having one hose this way and 3 hoses feeding through the center of each square foot. Fingers crossed that that's how it actually turns out. But that is the plan, Stan. So let me get the main hose, which will be these, or this. Whew. Yeah, my body is so sore. Ooh, that lets you know I'm getting old. Oh. My body is sore, but you gotta keep moving. What am I doing? Okay. Now I have to take out a hose long enough that it can be cut and have these and drape across here. But it's going to be broken into sections for each hose to go into it. So Let's see if what I'm envisioning I can make a reality. And I don't feel like taking these little twisty ties off of here because this hose gets all kinds of tangled up and I just ain't in the mood for it right now. And I bought a hose cutter, but that little thing, it works and it don't work. Okay, so this is the end that's going to connect to the main hose. The one that's going to be, you know. So let me pin that down. And then I'm gonna, let me just move this out of the way. And I'm going to pin, uh-oh. I just got y'all all buried, don't I? I put some snapdragons in here. And when I put the straw on them, I just covered them up. Y'all come on. I'm sorry. I'm glad I saw them because now I know not to cover them up with this hose. I just put them along the edge. Okay. So, and I got a little case of connectors that I'm hoping will be enough for this project. So the first one is right here. So I'm going to take a snip right there. Grab my hose. Alright, that can come off. I probably should not have stuck that there. Put it right there. Now I just have to measure down the length of, let me just take this off. I thought these were velcroed, but they're not. Because I was going to reuse it if I had some left over. Oh, good gravy, come on. All right, so I'm going to take a hose and drag it down through the center to make sure that it's long enough. And then I'm gonna stop the end up and then cover it. I mean, not cover it, but stake it down. So I'm gonna put that there. We're gonna do one thing at a time. But I do want to say that that is the plan for all of these beds. And then when we get to the grow bags and the buckets, then we'll do it differently. Why are you acting like you don't want to go in there? It's the right size. All right, go in there. This does not want to go in there. It goes when you twist it. It just don't want to go straight.
what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Okay, drip irrigation installation has been completed. Ooh, it took me all day too, just about. It's 2:03. Okay, so I've got 3 lines going down. Then this hose leads to my 2 potato barrels. I'm going to hand water the carrots for now. Once they have become established and started growing, then I will put the drip line down. But I did put drip line on these peppers, so that's done. And then I hope I'm not setting myself up for a fall, but I've got the hose run this way and it's connected to this bed. I've got the drip irrigation lines installed here. Then at the end I have it connecting to my containers, and I've got one of those little, see if I can show you this one. There's one of those in every container, and I just kind of daisy chained all of the different pots. You can probably see it better in this one because you can see the little orange sprinkler head thing. And then this is done, so that is connected to this, and all of these are done. Now for the tomato bed, I got all of the irrigation set up. I ran out of straw. I gotta get some more so I can finish mulching the tomatoes, and but the drip line is in, and I've got that hose connected to that bed with the cucamelon, my peas, and eventually my beans. Oh, and those are 2 Motherland okras right there. Still nothing in here. I'm too tired to do anything about it right now. This bed is going to be nothing but collards. And I've got them sitting there. They are hardening off. They've already got true leaves. I just need to put them in the ground. And I will continue to hand water my onions, except those that are in the bed because they got the drip line run through them. But the ones that's over here, I will hand water until I get enough energy to install a drip line. Right now I'm tired. Oh, and by the way, my rain barrel arrived. That's the stand on top, and in that box is the rain barrel. My husband is off today with a bad back, so I guess I can't convince him to install it for me, but that's for another day. Like I said, it ain't happening today. Not with me, it's not. Too much stuff on my patio. I put in some work today, but I needed to get that irrigation in. I mean, absolutely had to, because I don't want the leaves to get wet. I just want the water to go where it's needed and not just evaporate off of the leaves and cause some kind of, disease or something for the plants. And I'm not trying to have that. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I know the camera cut off before I finished all of the irrigation, but I just showed you. So anyway, my husband's gonna go, why do you turn it back on? Well, because I was in a mode and I just didn't want to stop. That's all. Because if I had stopped, it wouldn't have got done today. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your 5th time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you again, take care. Bye.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
He can fix it. He'll find a picture.